Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies without baking soda. Many recipes call for baking soda to achieve that perfect chewy texture and slight spread. It's an alkaline ingredient that reacts with acids to produce carbon dioxide, creating lift. But don't worry if you're out or prefer not to use it. We'll explore several effective alternatives that can still give you wonderful cookies. Let's dive into how these substitutes work and how to use them. The most straightforward substitute is baking powder, which contains both an acid and a base. For every 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, you can typically use 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Another option is incorporating whipped egg whites. They trap air, providing a light, airy texture. If you have self-rising flour, it already includes leavening, so you might not need additional agents. Each substitute offers a slightly different cookie characteristic. When substituting, you might need to adjust other ingredients. If using baking powder, you may want to slightly reduce acidic components like buttermilk or brown sugar. For a chewier cookie, a small addition of 1 or 2 teaspoons of cornstarch can help. Increasing the fat content, like butter, can also contribute to a softer cookie. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent excessive spreading during baking. Achieving perfect cookies without baking soda is entirely possible with a few key tips. Always monitor your baking time carefully, as substitutes can alter how quickly cookies brown. Don't be afraid to experiment with different leavening agents to find your preferred texture, whether it's chewy or crispy. Ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature for optimal mixing. Finally, store your delicious creations in an airtight container to maintain their freshness for several days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.